Want to know how you can attach files like photos, videos, documents with email on iPhone? Whether you're using the Mail app, Gmail, or Outlook, this guide will show you how. It's straightforward once you know the steps. So let's get into it. Solution 1. Attach photos or videos in the Mail app. Open the file or document that you want to send. For me, a picture. Tap File Apps, Browser to Picture or File. Open the file. Tap Share icon. Find your Mail app. If you cannot find it here, swipe left to browse more apps. Tap More. Scroll down. Tap Mail app. Now you can see the picture is attached. Now add contact and fill up every information like who you want to send or subject. After that, tap Send button. Your attached file mail will be sent. With these steps, you should now be able to easily attach files, photos, or videos to your emails on iPhone. If you face any issue or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask for help.